Jason West from REMAX Capital Properties here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. I thought I'd come to you and let you know why I sell houses. Take for instance this house right here. This house went on the market Friday and sold by Sunday. This gorgeous house has been in the same family for over 49 years. It was bought in 1971 on a contract for deed for $15,000. The family paid $80 a month for this house. This house has seen 3 wonderful children walk 100 yards to the elementary school. Seen them ride their bikes to the junior high. This house has got names in cement in the front, over by the door, in the back. This house has seen that family come and go. And now it's ready for its new family. Check out this swing set. Could you imagine those 3 kids' faces when their father put this together years ago? It is still the original swing set of those 3 kids playing. Like I was telling you with this house, memories, 49 years of memories. This house is ready for a new family with new memories. So when your home is ready, 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 let me know. Jason West, REMAX Capital Properties, 307-757-7921.